What's up, guys? So I have a 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse crossover, one of the new ones. This is going to be a door skin removal and installation. I decided to make it a two-part video because just the removal and the preparation to get the new door skin installed takes quite a while. It's going to be pretty long, so if I decided to add everything, it was going to be like a pretty long video, and I didn't want to do that. So I decided to cut it into two pieces. Anyways, to get to the actual video, what you're seeing here is me. I picked up my 5-inch grinder and I began grinding all along the lip of the door skin, separating the door skin fold from the actual door shell. I'm sorry for not being able to capture what's going on, the whole picture. I couldn't tell what the hell was going on. It's kind of hard to tell what's going on here, but later on you're going to see how the door skin fold is actually separating from the door shell. But whatever you couldn't see is what's being done here. I'm just grinding all along the edge of the door shell. All along. I couldn't tell if I was recording. That's why it came out that way. But anyways, I'll do better next time. Look at how cool this looks. As you can see, the lip on that right corner is actually bending up by itself. And that's basically what happens all around the door shell. But since this here isn't attached to everything, it kind of just comes up on itself like this. And there's no need to pull it apart or anything because it does it by itself. As for the rest of it, you kind of have to pull it apart because it doesn't come off as easy as the other one. But anyways, that's basically all I'm doing here is just pulling it apart all along the edge. And this is the fold that you're trying to remove when you're grinding your door skin. So now that I've removed that fold, it's time to separate the panel from the actual door shell, and I'm just hammering in between the door shell and the door skin. I'm hammering the panel bond that it has from factory apart all along the edge of the door skin. after all that is done, I just flip my door over, and it's time to separate our door skin off of the door shell for good. I decided I'd give you guys two different point of views. Bam. And I'm not doing anything special here. I'm just simply pulling apart from each side, whatever, it doesn't matter. You just go around separating the door shell from the door skin. So now that the old door skin has been removed, it's time to clean up the old panel bond from the door shell so I can attach the new one with new panel bond. All I did was I got my grinder and a Scotch-Brite 3M wheel, and I'm basically just going all along the edge, removing the old panel bond. And a step that I didn't show that is actually pretty key is after you've done all of this, after you've cleaned it up, you have to make sure that your lip on your door shell is actually straight if there's been any damage to it, because when you put the new door skin on and you put it with the door shell being bent or whatever, it's gonna mess up your new door skin. So just make sure you hammer and dolly all around to make sure that it's straight or where it needs to be, so when you put on the new door skin, you don't have any problems. Another mention is when I do door skins, I personally try to remove everything. But in this case here, I actually just left the door catch on and I left the window motor on there. I usually remove everything, but I didn't think it was in the way this time, so that's why I decided just to leave it there. But pretty much everything gets removed, and it's just the door shell itself. Then I flip my door shell back over to its other side, and I'm just showing you guys here that it actually has some old seam sealer that needs to be removed. It's going to be removed the same way that you guys just saw earlier. I didn't show it because it's pretty much the same process that you saw on the previous clip being done here. And that's what it should look like. This is pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys around for the second part of this video.